Wow. So we're out here late at night. And Francis, what are you stepping on?
Big thing of water under the sod.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, hold the light out there so you can see the whole thing. Holy cow. The whole grass sod layers coming off the earth. That is weird. It's like a blanket of sod over top of a pond. It's like a waterbed, a natural waterbed. All right, let me see the light. I know exactly what's going on. So we're draining the pool, and the drain is right here. And there are, how many gallons of water in that pool? 20,000 gallon pool. And a good bit of it is right here. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. All right, you drain your pool. Oh wait, look at that big belly.
Whoa, that's firm. Okay, we got a top.
I don't know what's gonna happen. So I guess this will all go down at some point, and then the sod will reattach itself to good old Mother Earth.
I really want to pop it.
Oh my goodness, it looks like a little bean.
It feels like a carcass.
I love that. Well, this is a sad start to the swimming season. I opened the pool late because pools are so much work and I just didn't want to do it. And so I left it, and now it's green and it looks pretty much like a toilet. And so I am draining all the water out because sadly last season our pool had a leak and I couldn't find it or stop it. So it has to be done because who knows where all that water is going. So here I am, 10 o'clock at night, running the pump. All this green sludge, nasty water is all going down. So next project, get down in to the swimming pool, clean it, find its leaks, which are probably down there in the main drain. Maybe, I don't know. This guy's kind of old. It's from the 1980s and it's showing its age. So we'll try to get it watertight again, and then refill it, and it'll be crystal clear water that you can take a refreshing dip in after a day's hard work in the summer sun. Anyway, draining. Okay, down in the depths of the pool, this green nasty water. Can't get rid of it soon enough. I wish I could film the smell because it really stinks. But soon it'll all be gone, and we can find out where these little seams are leaking and what on earth is going wrong with this pool. So this will be a fun little deep dive into water and pool technology, no pun intended. All right, bye-bye green water.